Working as a vendor in Syncrostore, you'll commonly find yourself needing to add new inventory items. Syncrostore provides three main ways to do this, two of which are covered in this guide. Within the vendor inventory page, the Inventory Tools tab holds all of the inventory controls. Quick Inventory allows you to import bulk inventory items, such as receiving a new shipment or bringing in items from home. The Add New button will allow you to add an item with even more detailed descriptions, photo upload opportunities, and deal specification. The third method, importing an existing inventory from a previous system, is not covered in this guide. For more information, please see the Syncrostore knowledge base. In this video, we'll be going over the Quick Inventory option, found under the Inventory Tools section of the Vendor Inventory page. Clicking the Quick Inventory button will open up the pop-up menu where we can begin entering item information. To give an example, let's say I had a basketball I'd like to sell. I will set the price as $10, and let's say I have 10 of them. I will not specify a SKU or UPC, which means I will use the Syncrostore automatically generated unique item ID for all identification purposes. Once I have entered all the information, I can click the Add Item button. This will place the item in a queue, in which all other items I have entered will remain until I decide to commit them. I'd like to add one more item before I commit to my inventory. Let's say I have a soccer ball for sale. The soccer ball's price will be $8, and I own 5 of them. Again, I will not specify a SKU or UPC. Once I'm satisfied with these fields, I can select Add Item. Note that the pop-up will now indicate I have 2 items queued. Once I'm satisfied, I click the View Before Commit button, which will list all of the items in spreadsheet format. Here you can edit the title, price, quantity, SKU, or UPC of any items you've added. Once you're satisfied, you can click the Commit All button. This button will place the items into your main inventory grid, where you can open them to edit further details, print barcodes, or delete them.